a place where we think for healthy life, enhanced breathing, enhanced feel factor, healthy life air management system. Today we are seeing this equipment. This equipment is giving excellent content for human breathing. We breathe air, we drink water. For what? It's a primary food for the human being. Breathing is the first content which human being needs to continue human life. So air is the most primary need for the human being. We believe it or not. The next is drinking water. And the third is eating food. So the most primary thing is breathing gas, life gas. And that is a key factor for human being to be happy and to work. So please understand that the way we like to eat pure food, good food, the way we like to drink good water, filtered water, pure water, we should think about the best enhanced air to keep our immunity good, to keep our health good, and to keep our life good. Let's think about skin. We have all senses with us, different kind of senses with us. Seeing is senses, hearing is senses, taste is senses, smell is senses. Skin is having the maximum surface area of our body, which is a major sensory part which we are sometimes not considering. This equipment is giving us best possible air, best possible moisture needed to enhance our surface skin to be activated. Moisture is equally important for lungs and skin sensitivity. See, when we breathe, moisture plays a major role. A perfect air conditioning means not only temperature, not only low temperature. Perfect air conditioning is a combination of perfect, good, healthy air and perfect, good, healthy moisture content, which is very, very important. All of us drink pure water, so we expect the best breathing for life gases for overall enhanced health. Air cooler. This is the air management system. This is not simple air cooler. It receives the best natural pure air from outside atmosphere. The outside atmosphere is having pure filtered air by a solar system naturally with the solar ultraviolet and infrared radiation. So when we are continuously receiving naturally solar and filtered air, this air enhance our immunity system based on both the factors, pure air and good quality moisture. We are using best possible filtered mineral water, good for health. The way we drink them, we put it to enhance our immunity, to enhance our moisture required for the lungs and for the skin sensitivity. This is the best receptor. When our body is working, the skin has a major role and the moisture plays a major role to enhance the skin sensitivity and other sensitivities equally. Dry atmosphere is not good for health. So, immunity is based on those both factors, natural filtered air and good quality of required moisture for lungs and skin. Thank you very much. We care for you all at Capsule with its healthy air management system. Thank you very much. God bless us, everyone, for enhanced health. Thank you.